Hello, it's Katrine. So once you're logged in, you have a few possibilities to create your recipes, or actually just a step-by-step scenario. So I just wanted to give you a quick overview as well of the app itself. So first of all, this is step one. So here you would add all your ingredients you would have in your recipe, such as carrier oils and essential oils, or hydrolytes and butters and whatnot else. So depending what you create, obviously you will have different ingredients. Then in the middle panel, you will add your container parts. So anything from labels over to the shipping box as well, and the container itself, meaning the amber bottle maybe, and the dropper or the atomizer. Any of this you would need to add for the cost pricing as well. And if you're using any wrapping paper or packaging, in addition, that is important too. And then on the right-hand side, you have the recipe panel, where basically this is the last step where everything comes together. You would name your recipe here, you would add any kind of instructions and notes. And then, of course, if you're shipping your recipe, your product, you probably need to add some text, some sales tax, and also some shipping costs. And then you will have the option to play with your markup factor, meaning are you going to sell it for double the price, triple the price, depending obviously to whom you're selling it, and if it's going to be a wholesale account or if it's going to be a retail account, and so on. You will not see a blend percentage here right now because we don't have any recipe details. And then the dilution ratio is going to change once you're adding your carrier oils or butters to your essential oils. So this is just a quick overview. I would always start out with step one, move over to step two, and then step three as well to finalize your recipe. Then you have the option to change your currency up here. By default it's US dollars, but you can obviously change it into any other currency depending where you live. And that is just a quick overview, and we will go into recipe creations in a different tutorial. I will talk to you soon. Thank you. Bye.